If you're tired of the same old desserts, we have something for you. First up, the nuts. Even if they came from a nice clean package, let's be real, they've probably been on a bit of a journey. So give your walnuts a rinse under cold water. Let them chill on a paper towel, then gently dry them with another one. It's like a walnut spa day, just shorter. If they're not already chopped, no worries. You can either give them a rough chop with a knife or toss them into a blender for just a few seconds. We're aiming for small, crunchy pieces, not walnut dust. It's time to build the flavor. Start with 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. The kind that makes your whole kitchen smell like a cozy cafe. Now for the magic touch. Drizzle in 3 tablespoons of honey. Yep, the good stuff. Golden, sticky, and the reason this whole filling is about to become irresistible. Stir it all together until the nuts are coated and glistening like candy. If you find yourself accidentally taste testing, no worries, that's the chef's tax. Grab 4 medium apples, red, green, yellow, spotted. Pick your favorite. Chop off the top, then grab a spoon and scoop out the middle. Like you're making a little apple hot tub. If you've got a melon baller, now's its moment to shine. Gently place your hollowed apples into the air fryer basket, like you're tucking them in. Now grab that sweet walnut filling and spoon it in generously. Don't be shy, give each one a good scoop. And for the final touch, a slow drizzle of honey right on top. It's not just dessert, it's dessert with a little sparkle. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 13 minutes. Make sure the tops of the apples don't touch the heating element, or you might get some caramelized charcoal chic. Now that they're perfectly baked, we'll let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's move on to the best part, that rich, cheesy topping. Take a wheel of Camembert. Soft, creamy, and honestly a little extra. Score the top with a crisscross pattern, like you're unlocking some fancy cheese treasure. Then finish it off with a light drizzle of honey. Because why stop now? If your Camembert came in one of those little wooden boxes, wrap the bottom in foil, just to keep anything from sticking, burning, or turning into a mess mid-bake. Then pop it in at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, until it's beautifully melty and bubbling like a cozy cheese volcano. Just look at that. That Camembert is officially ready for action. Alright, everything's ready. Take a look at those baked apples. Golden, soft, and stuffed with sweet cinnamon-coated nuts. Grab a spoonful of that molten Camembert and place it right on top of each apple. Absolutely delicious. Serve it as a dessert, a sweet snack, or, if you're like me, it's breakfast. We don't follow rules here. Let us know in the comments what extras you'd add to your version. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this video for your next cozy kitchen moment.